steps outside into the rain's cool touch, where turtles pace slow and gentle on the wet earth's clutch. Their shells glisten like jewels in the gray light's hue, as Helen breathes the scent of wet leaves, fresh and new. Helen in the rain with turtles. Helen in the rain with turtles. With every step, a tiny stream begins to flow. The turtles watch as Helen dances, her spirit aglow. Her laughter echoes, joyful and free and clear, as she twirls, her eyes shining bright without a fear. Helen in the rain with turtles. Helen in the rain with turtles. The turtles move closer, their eyes shining bright, as Helen's beauty shines, a beacon in the rain's soft light.